2024 maple sap or maple syrup making. We got a lot of buckets here. We got lids, try and keep some of the moisture out for when it rains and snows. There's all our taps, and there's some additional line. We got some funnels for when we filter it out. We need the hammer and the drill for putting in the taps. Had a little problem yesterday. The battery for the drill was out of juice, so today I'll be tapping the one maple tree at the house. It's kind of like the pilot tree to figure out how much sap is running and if I have to go collect. And drilling the hole, you want to have a slightly up angle. As you can see, the sap is already running. Today is January 31st. That's one of the 4 holes I put in this tree. So I'll get them tapped up and put a picture up next. So now it's just a matter of time. Wait and see. This is day 1. It's only been about 12 hours, maybe 14. There's a little bit of sap in the bucket. We're cleaning the sap hauling containers today. Got bleach water in each one of these, except it's kind of heavy. These weigh a couple 100 pounds each. The only one I was able to tip over is the little one. And we're running the 12 volt pump off of 100 amp hour battery to pump some of the water out of these. And I'm gonna rinse it out and they're ready to haul sap. Boiling down today, taking the sap from the containers. There's a little 12 volt pump. There's a 12 volt battery. I got it on charger, solar battery, but I'm not connected to the solar right now. And a couple of clips holding the funnel on and the hose there, so I don't have to hold on to it. Filling buckets. And boiling down over here. Boiling off about 14 or so gallons an hour, maybe a little more. The heat's been pulled. It's cool till morning. We're gonna finish it off on the stove. Move the whole firing thing to the right there. So it has to cool, it's still evaporating, so just let it be.